Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is JA Henckels International 8-piece serrated steak knives set. It is forever sharp, so you don't need to sharpen it in the future. So yeah, I've been shopping around for this because I have originally I have the 12-piece knife sets. And I have a 6-piece of this steak knife set, but unfortunately, during our family gathering or like a party or anything like that, I guess somehow people got mistaken and then thought those were thrown away and then end up in the trash or garbage pile. So anyway, we had about 2 of the missing knives, so I bought this so we get a replacement. And I've been shopping around, so I think the cheapest I found was on eBay. I tried to search on Amazon, Walmart, Target, some other site, but this is the cheapest I get. Plus, I get like a eBay cash. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, this is brand new, not used. They used to have one of the tab right here, so you pull a strip to open. Unfortunately, they don't have that feature anymore. Wow, so it is it wrapped in another bubble envelope. So here it is. A-piece steak set. By the way, we use this for like cutting fruits and stuff like that. So there's a damage right here. And it is made in China. Hopefully it's new. So yeah, anyway, this is a very sharp blade, okay? And with those ridges right there on the blade, you don't need to sharpen in the future. It never gets dull unless you cut like rocks or bones. So mainly try to focus this on the meat only, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.